been loving some of the Dollhouse turned bookshelves that we've been coming across on our Pinterest page. So I thought this op shop find for only $5 was going to be an amazing transformation. You can tell it's had lots of love from another little girl in a past life. There's some sticky tape, some stickers and things that we're going to need to remove. So the bulk of the project today will be on the prep. That's going to do the heavy lifting so that we can come in at the end with the fun colour and make it beautiful for a little girl's room and give it a new lease on life.
Hold you in my heart when these days have been and gone. Ooh, 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 ooh. As time goes by, won't keep heading round the circles, never letting go, never letting go. As time goes by, won't keep heading round the circles, never letting go, never letting go. The weight of the world on your shoulders, always ending up the same. Crescent moons have all gone home. We're all fired up, we're tangled up, we're in